What's up guys, good morning. So today I'm doing another college vlog. Super crazy, I've never done this before. I laid in bed for way too long again. I just showered, hence the wet hair and the robe. My skin has not been on fleek. So I think I want to do a little face mask. No, I don't. That's too much work. Maybe tonight we'll do a face mask, but for now we're just gonna put some moisturizer on because... So like I had said in my last vlog, I was gonna do Vlogmas next month. And you guys went crazy in the comments, so that's what we're gonna do. Guys, I like need ideas, so help me out. My skin gets so dry in the winter, so I literally have to like pile on moisturizer and then I look like a grease ball. But I have to, like my skin literally flakes. It's so gross. Also, like I said in my last vlog, my dad's coming up tonight and I'm so excited. My dad has work in Michigan. He's gonna drive up tonight and we're gonna go to dinner and we're gonna go to Target and I'm gonna take you with us. My dad's a really funny guy, so I can't wait to show you. Also, my dad is bringing me up a ton of like homemade food. Like my mom's homemade mac and cheese is my favorite, and then my grandma's pasta, like spaghetti and meatballs, like is my favorite. And my dad's bringing all of that up for me and I'm so excited. So now I look like a grease ball but skin's hydrated. So guys, I've been in the mood for Christmas music. I've been on the Christmas wave, so I've just been wanting to play Christmas music. Just one song. It's the most beautiful time of the year. She wasn't in here when I was talking earlier, but she came back. She was doing laundry. It's the most beautiful time of the year. Oh my god. We're done. So I think I'm gonna go get dressed and then, I need to do laundry, but I think I'm gonna go get dressed, go get some breakfast. I don't know what to do right now because I have class in 3 hours and I could go do laundry right now, but there's a chance that all the laundry things are filled. I don't want to have to wait. I think I'm just gonna, we're gonna make some pizza bites. Our microwave has issues. So my pizza bagels are only cooked right in the middle. It literally looks so weird. I'm not really sure what's happening with that. But I'm just gonna like eat all of these and then I need to fold my laundry. Hello, I'm done with my snack. Basically, I thought what would be more exciting than me folding my laundry with you guys. So if you have some laundry to fold, get to it and we'll do it together. So I'm very excited because I'm gonna give you guys a little Target haul later because like I had mentioned before, my dad is coming and he's taking me to Target to stock up on all my necessities. But included with the necessities, I'm gonna be getting some Christmas decorations. Yes. There's nothing I hate more when folding laundry than having to find socks and their match. I'm gonna have at least one sock that doesn't have a match, but I know that the match was in there because my stomach kind of hurts from those pizza bagels. Should I listen to some tunes? Hi, Dad. Okay, bye. I don't know what it is about this song. Ever since I was even young, this song just like haunts me. Like I don't know what it is, but it just is weird and it makes me like feel weird. That's enough of that. I don't know what it is because I know all the words. Like it's not like I didn't listen to it when I'm younger, but for some reason when I hear that song, I just like feel some type of way. I'd like to make my... See? Oh, it's stuck in my head. Would you guys want to see time lapse of me folding laundry? Who would want to see a time lapse of me folding laundry? Why did I just even consider that? No one cares. Okay. My dad's gonna be here in a few minutes. I'm excited. I need a self-tanner so bad. I literally look like a little ghost. I'm so excited to eat a nice, like, hefty meal. I'm excited. Should I listen to music again? I feel like I keep doing that. But I get the bottom G. Definition, make them boys go all that shit is fictitious. I just to watch what I got. He's about to be here, so I will see you guys once he's here.
Hi.
Here he is,
Hi.
guys.
Dad. Dad.
We're in Target. The section coming up is like this planner that I want to get. I need to find my mascara. I like the L'Oreal telescopic, but I don't know where. My dad knows me so well. He calls me and he goes, hey, I found more Christmas stuff back here. I'm just thriving back here. Christmas montage. Go. Almost forgot. Oops. These. Ooh. What'd you just inform me? If you're having a bad hair day, I can't post.
You can't.
So I'm back home from Target. I'm just gonna do a little quick Target haul for you guys. Really cute Christmas stuff, just like food and stuff. And I thought it'd be interesting because I've gotten some requests to do like a grocery haul. So I'll show you guys the minimal groceries that I get. To start, I got some kettle cooked chips. These are my favorite. I got some candy. I needed some new makeup that I'm running out of, so I got my favorite mascara and then my favorite foundation. YouTube and school has been getting a little hectic and stressful for me, so I thought it would make it a lot easier if I kept my thicker big planner strictly for school stuff, and then I got a thinner one just for my YouTube stuff. 2 packs of makeup wipes. I had to get Pringles because I'm a child. I'm gonna be like 45 still eating Pringles, I swear to God. Then on to the Christmas stuff. I got this little tree. Here he is. I got some icicle lights to hang around the room, and then these really cute 2 little Christmas trees to go on my desk. We're getting really jolly up in this bitch, so I'm really excited. I can't wait for Christmas. I think I'm gonna hold off for like a week more until I start decorating, but I'll be sure to put it in a vlog when I do. That's my Target haul. Okay, I've decided we're gonna enjoy a dessert together. It's chocolate cake. I have some cool things coming, so subscribe and like this video if you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more. Let me know what your favorite part of the vlog was in the comments below, and I'll respond to you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Da da